So you're going to remove the air cleaner air inlet hose. It's a plastic hose. Just pull it out from there and then pull it out from the bottom of the box. Set it aside. And this is where it's located. It is the boost solenoid. So we're going to take the turbo boost solenoid. So you see how it's mounted with this bracket? It just slides right off, just like that. Then we have a metal clip. You're going to push down on that and disconnect the connector. Then you have two vacuum lines. I'm going to twist the bottom one off. And you can see the bottom one has a yellow stripe on it. So if you feel like you don't remember which one went where. So now to install it, just reverse procedure. The hose without the line on it goes at the very top port, and this one goes on the bottom. Then we'll get our connector. On these, you have to hold that metal tab down when you install it. Push it past, make sure the tab locks. Then you're just going to guide that little rubber mount right on that metal bracket, slide it in. So for the air intake tube, I'm going to put the square down below on the air box first. Line that up. And push it in. And we can come up here, line this up, push that in.